Hey guys, it is finally that time. The thing I've been talking about for months now. This Lego set, I think I bought it last summer and made the plans to assemble it, record the process and share it with you guys. But I kept postponing it due to other stuff I had to do. But today, we're finally going to assemble the Ecto 1. The Ghostbusters car. If you can call it a car. It's an iconic vehicle. If you saw the Ghostbuster movies back in the 80s, I think it was. And the new one, which I haven't seen yet. Shame on me. Because the pandemic, you know? The excuse we use for everything now. But this one is finally getting assembled. And let me let you in on a little secret. I already did. This box is just empty. It's just for show. There's nothing in there. It actually floats a little bit when I drop it. It's that empty. But I can tell you there were a lot of pieces in there. 2,352 pieces. This is the biggest set I've ever built in my life. Like the biggest one I did was a Wall-E set. And that took me a few hours. This is the manual. You know, you always get the little booklet explaining what you need to do. This is not a booklet, this is a book. There's 300 pages in here. But it was a lot of fun. I'm going to share it with you guys in a bit of a time lapse. Try and follow. And I'll see you guys after the time lapse. Enjoy! And here it is. It is huge. This thing is gigantic. It does explain why the box was that big. And did you see the number of bags I pulled out of there? It was just insane. It took me about 8 hours in total, little less than 8 hours, which was less than I anticipated. I had read somewhere that it takes you at least 6 hours, and I'm not a professional Lego builder at all. This is, like I said, the biggest thing I've ever built. So the fact that it took me 8 hours is, I'm proud. It was spread over several days, so it took my time, but I had a lot of fun building it. It is kind of crazy how you follow the plan, step by step, and don't always realize what you're building. But then at a certain moment, you're like, oh, I think I'm building this, and then it pans out, and you add it to the big piece, and you just kind of see that car materialize in front of you, which is almost therapeutic, especially these days, where I don't kind of take the time anymore to assemble something, basically. I should definitely build more of these sets. I just don't know where I'm going to put them. It is a good set, it is an amazing set. There's a lot of detail in there, a lot of interactive elements, which I was kind of surprised with. Just like, you can see the top of the car, but everything is moving when it's driving. And there's this little steering wheel that you can use. The doors kind of all open, including the hood, which shows you the engine. And then the back door opens and there's a little mini drone car in there that you can unleash by pushing or pulling a button, and then it kind of rolls out of the car at the bottom. There's a plate that drops down and the car rolls out, which is nice. The big piece is, of course, on the side. If you open the left side door completely and you push on the other side of the set, the seat will kind of pop out, as we've seen in the movie. Apparently, I haven't seen it yet, but so it's totally worth it. It's quite expensive. I think I paid like 160 euros for the set. Quite an investment, but an investment I'm pleased with, and that I now have to find a spot for somewhere in this room. I think some of the pop figures will have to move. I'll post some pictures on my Instagram so you guys get a better look at it. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what the biggest set is that you have ever built. But that was it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.